with an omelette, salad and the topping. I think it will be nice. We will see how we are going to do. Come, we will see how we are going to do this preparation so that it will be delicious for us to eat. Come, we will go and prepare this now. Prawn omelette with salad. First thing I need oil. We'll put a little oil. A dessert spoon of oil. Onions, finely chopped onions. Green chilies. And I'm going to put mushroom. Mushroom also I put. And we will stir fry this. Stir fry nicely. While you are stir frying, generally we put a little salt so that it will get tempered. The color will come soon. Along with that, while I am tempering, only I used a little bit of salt. Now I will use green chili sauce. That is ready. Now we can see what we are going to do here now. I have taken 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Yolks and the white together, 3 eggs I have taken. I beat the 3 eggs, yolk and the white together. Tempered all these ingredients. Mushroom, what are the ingredients I put? Mushroom, onions, green chili. All that we have put, and we will put this into the egg. Put a little pepper, a bit of turmeric. Mix it nicely. Now I am going to do something. I have the prawns and the spring onions, but I won't use that now. First thing I am going to do is put a little oil. In the same pan itself I am putting, and put a little bit of oil. Then what I will do is, I will warm this up. Put the egg mixture. I put the prawns in now only. Boiled chopped prawns and a little spring onions. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take it out. Right. I think this is a little bigger pan. We will use a smaller pan. Spring onions. Only once, not too many times. Just once, and the top case got cooked. Now enough. Now we will take this out. Same way I will do the next one also. Omelette is ready. I want to make a topping for it. To make the topping, I need orange juice, and we need half a cup water. Along with that, corn flour. About 1 teaspoon corn flour. Turmeric, a little chili pieces, and I will put the corn flour mixture. Cook till this gets slightly thicker. This is going to be the topping for it. Corn flour is not enough. I want that to be a little more thicker than this. So what I am going to do is corn flour. Add it. I want it thick, quite thick I want. Right, now it's getting thicker, no? First I put 1 teaspoon, it was not enough, and another teaspoon I put because I want it to be a little on the thickish side of it. Now what we will do is, I have the omelets ready. See, that is going to be on top. It's like a topping for this. So nice, so tasty. It's going to be the topping for it. It's now I could carry. Okay. Let this be, I can use for my salad. Kept a little to do for my salad. So now we will leave all this aside and we are going to make the salad now. To make the salad, grated carrot, onions, shredded onions, cabbage, and gherkin also I grated it. Right? So all this we will put it into this bowl. Now we need seasoning for it. Salt, pepper, chili pieces, vinegar, and we will melt the butter. And put it for that. Chili pieces I have put. Along with that, a little bit of vinegar and sugar we put. And we will use a little olive oil also. You know what olive oil is good, and we'll use a little olive oil plus the butter. We have got all this ready. Salad. The omelette, the topping, and the salad, we have it. Now we can have the salad also along with that. We can serve this. This is how you do the prawn omelette, salad. The topping is nice. Now I am having the salad leaves also. We can't do a salad without salad leaves. So we will have the salad leaves along with that. Just break it up. Don't cut it. If you cut with a knife or a scissors, it becomes bitter. The salad leaves become bitter. So you should not cut it. You have to just break it up. The sauce, the white topping, this topping which I kept, see the topping which I kept, the balance was there which I am putting it. Prawn omelette with the salad. It's nice. When you see this prawn omelette, it will be nice because it's going to be with the topping and all that. See the topping? It's an orange topping and the salad is there. So it's a delicious preparation, I would say. You can also try it out. This omelette, what you do is, on the omelette you put the salad and then you can roll it up, or you can have it as it is without rolling also. You can have it with that, and with a bun or a roti or something you can serve. It's so nice, so delicious, I would say. Something different to the normal preparation, so that you can try it out. The salad also we tried out, and the omelette also. Normal omelette we know, prawn omelette. So try it out and see how it comes, because next time with another episode I will see you soon, so that it will be really nice to see you soon, and I hope you will enjoy all my preparation. Bye from me now. We will meet you soon.